you want some high protein breakfast recipes and you have a sweet tooth, then here are 3 recipes that I have in my diet. I'm Alice, I've been a personal trainer for over 10 years, and here's what I eat for breakfast. Eating a protein-rich breakfast can have many benefits, from keeping you feeling fuller for longer to helping to contribute towards muscle building. Studies show that meals rich in protein reduce hunger hormones like ghrelin and boost satiety hormones, so they can be great if you often feel you get hungry quickly after eating your breakfast. And if you are working on building muscle this January, a protein-packed breakfast provides the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. Most importantly though, eating a high protein breakfast doesn't mean you have to miss out on taste. These are just some of my favorites, but follow along for more.